It's Friday. Special guest in the studio, Liz from the hospital's here. Hi, Liz. Hey. And Liz is going to play the cowbell. We're going to jam along. Everybody get ready. It's the weekend. It's Friday. Go Wildcats. Go Cyclones. Let's do it. You do a fantastic job playing the cowbell. You're doing really good. You've got good form. We're wearing sunglasses. Matt's here, Carrie's here, Dee Dee's here. Kathy enjoying from another part of the world. Liz, you ready to chant? You ready? Yeah. You gotta play it off. They can't see you. Here we go. And Liz loves Barracuda.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty much anytime you hear Barracuda on the bolt, it's because Liz is requested for everybody at the hospital.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks for coming in, Liz.
Well, thanks for having me.
Glad you enjoyed it. You really played a good cowbell. There you go.